Here's problem 5. Now notice you have A and B are parallel here. So you have a transversal cutting A and B, another transversal touching at the ends, and another transversal here. So anything here can be picked up and moved here. All this can be picked up and moved down to the other parallel line. And all this right here on B can be picked up, moved up the transversal and put up here at A. So let's start. The first thing I notice is 80. If that's 80, I'm going to have 100 degrees right beside it because they have to add up to 180 since they're a linear pair. Excuse me. If this is 80, its vertical angle is 80. That's 100. Its vertical angle right here is 100. Or again, straight lines have to add up to 180. Now I can pick all these up, slide them down the transversal, and put them where the other parallel line is. So that's going to be 100, 80, whoops, stuck there, 80, and 100. And then you can even make sure it makes sense to the fact, hey, that's an acute angle, so it is the 80. That's an obtuse angle, so the 100 makes sense there. Let's come to this 60. If this is 60, right beside it has to be 120 degrees because they have to add up to 180. Now if you want, you can look for our Z-Meister here, the alternate interior angles. If that's 60, this corner, that's Z60. Right beside it, 120. 120, 120, 60, 60. Alternating sides. Now, let's deal with the 70. If this is 70, look at the Z-Meister here. Going like that. So this corner of the Z is 70. So this corner is 70. If that's 70, right beside it has to be 110 to make 180. If that's 70, right beside it is 110 also. Problem 5, you just have to use the Z-Meisters and use the corresponding angles here and slide things down your transversals to the other parallel lines.